Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Simone Nardi. He is the CFO at G-P, also known as Globalization Partners. Simone, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you very much. It's great to be here.
So let's start off by talking about the company. What is G-P?
Yeah, so GP is the pioneer and recognized leader for global employment industry. So with our employment on record solution, we provide the ability for companies to hire compliantly, globally, their global workforce and maintain and manage and scale that in a very quick and compliant way in a matter of days versus the traditional setup process that takes many months. So we're very efficiently helping and supporting company expansion, and through our employment on record, we expanded our solution to cover more opportunities to kind of provide more abilities to the company, our customers, to expand their benefits and their international presence.
So tell me, what are the key challenges and benefits of managing your extensive global network across diverse legal and cultural landscapes?
Yeah, it's a great question. So traditionally, if you want to kind of hire people externally outside of your home country, let's say American company hiring in Italy, for example, or in Brazil or Australia, you need to go through a very complicated and long process. Set up a legal entity, open a bank account, hire local consultant to help you to understand the regulatory environment, employment laws in each country. And as we know, every country is very different, culturally, but also from an employment standpoint. And these rules continue to change. So it's very imperfect by definition across the global landscape. So what we do is we provide our legal entity infrastructure that we build, and we have more than 100 available across the board. We developed strong expertise, for the last 10 years, continuing to improve and enhance the knowledge and understanding on what really matters to employees locally and what matters for company to hire in those countries, so that they have the best tailored offering for their own local employees, and they optimize their relationship. And we do that through a productized structure and strategy. So, leveraging all of these abilities, all of these skills, and more recently, the additional products that we offer, the input of GIA, our Global Intelligence Assistant, through the whole process, help us to optimize the experience for our customers in terms of hiring and maintaining their global workforce in different countries, as well as to, enable them to have additional solutions in those specific countries. And as you know, when you talk about global, we talk about many different countries. So it's not one solution fits them all, while we mitigate that complexity of each single country, providing a single interface, single usage opportunity, and single platform through our offer.
So Simone, you have the G-P Meridian Suite. Tell me, how does that revolutionize global employment management for companies?
Yeah. So it's a great question. So we're very proud and very happy with the announcement and the product we expanded in 2023, introducing the G-P Meridian Suite. So expanding the more traditional EOR opportunity to a more comprehensive set of offering that really covers all the requirements that company may have international. Again, for take care of their employees, as we know, is one of the most important resource company can have to grow and expand. And we basically help to provide that knowledge and expertise without forcing companies to figure out on their own a very complicated and delicate matters, but helping themselves to focus on the more relevant point of growth, expansion, and market analysis and assessments. What the Meridian Suite does, is offering different level of customization. The platform really allow and help to provide a single pane of glass to our customer to manage their global workforce. And the tailoring of their offer and the different components of what really matters in different countries, to different customers, different companies, to different employees, allow that flexibility and customization in a very successful manner. And in addition to employment on record, so full employment, we also offer a contractor solution as well as support structure to help companies to migrate in their journey with us from setting up their relationship with us in employment on record, to potentially sometimes setting up the legal entity, hire contractor in different countries. And as we know internationally, each different country may have different needs from a company standpoint. And providing all of that one will allow the companies to come with us and get a full solution available.
And finally, tell me, how are you embracing AI?
Yeah, it's a great question. AI is in everyone's mind. Everyone, we've been focused on AI a long time ago, and we continue to evolve through our usage of that. I think that the recent evolution of the technology brought a lot of potential upside for the industry, and we embrace that strongly head on early on. I think that the opportunity for a company like us, introducing GIA, our global intelligence assistant, allow us for optimizing the extensive business knowledge that we have, supporting our teams and the customer and the employees that they hire on a more continuum basis, facilitating the organization of the knowledge base that is unique for us in the industry we're operating with because of our long-standing presence in the industry. That technology will continue to evolve, optimizing the structure allow for all of us to operate more efficiently with our customer, for our customer, as well as internally, within our infrastructure, CFO always care about that, allow us to kind of enable our teams to operate in a more efficient way for being more scalable. And that's a great opportunity in an industry that have a lot of significant white space still available for expansion. So very exciting for us.
All right, well, Simone, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Likewise, thank you very much. Appreciate it.